Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device actually supports the screen call feature. It matters because options differ by model and OS. Open Settings, go to Apps, pick Phone, then grant microphone, notifications, and overlay. Once done, make sure Do Not Disturb permits caller notifications, otherwise calls won't surface. You're not setting it up for show. You're enabling the core permissions that let the system listen and display on-screen prompts, so the next steps can run smoothly. You now activate Screen Call inside the phone app, navigate to Settings, find Call Screen or Smart Call and toggle it on. Next, customize language and response style so the voice interaction sounds natural to you, and select transcript options if you want text logs. Once configured, run a test call to verify audio pickup and on-screen prompts. Also, set rules for unknown numbers, auto screen, send to voicemail, or require manual review, so the feature behaves the way you expect. You finish by running multiple real incoming calls to confirm the UI appears, audio is captured, and transcripts match. If the feature fails to trigger, reboot the device, recheck the granted permissions, and ensure the phone app plus OS are up to date. Updates often resolve compatibility issues. If problems persist, clear the phone app cache or reinstall updates because stale data can block the process. One key troubleshooting tip: verify your carrier does not restrict call screening.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.